Good morning children. Children, we celebrate Rakhi on 22nd August, that is on Sunday. On this occasion, we will do an activity by using these all materials. Okay, and these all materials, if you are not having children, satin ribbon you will be having, or any white paper you can cut with strips like this. And if you are not having these thermocol balls also children, you can use buttons which will be available at your home, or you will be having bindis or stickers which your mummy is putting on her forehead. You can use that one also, and Fevicol. Okay children, now let us start doing. Now this is the satin ribbon I am using, the red satin ribbon, which I have cut in strips like this. Okay. Now what I will do is, just this is the length which you have to cut, just you have to fold like this and put Fevicol on the strips to attach it. Okay children. In the middle you put some Fevicol. Now you stick this one with the Fevicol, this end, again a little bit of Fevicol on the end, again this end you attach it. Okay, like this you will stick. Again these also you have to make like that. Like this you will make. Children, do you know why and how we celebrate this festival? We celebrate this festival to show love and affection towards our brothers. All the sisters, they tie Rakhi on the hands of their brothers, and in return the brothers as well protect their sisters for lifelong. Now I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and another one 6. Now what you have to do is put one like this here, then another one like this here, then another one just in this way. In this way, parents, please help out your children so that they will be enjoying the Rakhi. Now what you will do is put some Fevicol on this, then put this one, then put some Fevicol here, put it like this. Next one is, what you have to do, cut a piece of paper like this, and this is a blue satin ribbon I am using. You want this to tie it on the hands, isn't it? So just cut a piece of satin ribbon. Now with this a small piece of paper, then put little bit of Fevicol on that paper, then you stick it here in the middle of the satin ribbon, then on top a little bit of Fevicol. Now like this you will make. Okay children, now what you will do is just put it on top of this. Okay, now I will put the thermocol balls, little bit of Fevicol, then put the balls here. If you can use any type of stickers or bindi you are having at home. Children, now my Rakhi is finished. I have made my Rakhi. Now I will tie this Rakhi on my brother's hand. Isn't it? I will tie this. Children, you can also tie your Rakhi on your brother's hand, which one you have made it yourself. And children, after making the Rakhi, send it in the group. Children, see, I am tying it on the hand of my brother. And in turn, he will protect me. See. I have tied it on my brother's hand. Like this, you can tie it and your brother will protect you. Or you can send it in the group. Take a picture and send it in the group. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Stay safe.